Mole sauce is a bold and complex Mexican creation, combining smoky chilies, aromatic spices, rich nuts, and velvety chocolate for a deeply flavorful, multi-layered sauce. To begin, toast ancho, guajillo, and pasilla chilies in a dry skillet until fragrant, then soak them in hot water to soften. Once softened, blend the chilies with sautéed onions, garlic, toasted nuts, sesame seeds, and a small tortilla or slice of bread to help thicken the mole. Mole has its roots in ancient Mexico, where indigenous peoples crafted rich sauces from chiles and seeds, later refined by the Spanish with the introduction of chocolate. Let the mixture simmer over medium heat, adding dark chocolate to balance the heat, and cook for about 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. A dash of Mexican cinnamon will add a wonderful depth. If your mole is too thick, simply add extra stock or water to reach the consistency you prefer. If it's too bitter, try adding a bit more chocolate or honey to bring out the sweetness. Mole is perfect served over grilled meats, roasted vegetables, or tamales. To use it as a dip, just adjust the consistency with more stock or water. Mole pairs wonderfully with tortilla chips, crispy fried plantains, queso fresco, or fresh veggies like carrots, cucumbers, and bell peppers. It's traditionally served warm, but is also delicious at room temperature. Consider experimenting with regional variations by adding ingredients like almonds, raisins, or tomatillos for a fun twist that will make your mole uniquely yours. Prepara este mole y déjate sorprender por su magia.